and Hobbs, the Garage Edition. So today we're doing a DIY mod on my 2017 Dodge Challenger SCAT Pack. I wanted to put in a oil catch can, so I've been looking into this, and yeah, this is definitely a pretty cool mod. It's inexpensive. It's under 300 bucks. Good for the car and good for you. So there's different companies that make different things for your old catch cans, and I was kind of investigating a lot to see what's the best one. There's lots, definitely from Amazon. There's lots of them. They're more expensive, but they don't come with the proper bracket. It might not be for your car, so make sure you do some investigation to make sure you get the right one for your car. So I did. I'll show you what it is in a second. So that's why I'm making a video for it, because I couldn't find too much on this particular brand for Challengers, so that's why I'm making one today. Yeah, big shout out to Cartel Inc. and to Stupid Fast Racing. So thanks you guys for your support. All right, click down below on subscribe, and I'll subscribe back to you. All right, let's see what we got going on. So I went down to the local MOPAC and ended up picking up a MOROSO. It's a pretty cool kit. So you've got the hoses, you got your clamps, you got your bracket, you got two different style brackets, you've got your plugs that go left and right, and you've got a nice polished chrome unit in the box, which I'll pull out in a second. You will need a knife, a 3/16 Allen key, some Teflon tape. Now for me, two different sizes. I got a 17 mil and a 5/8. So win-win. Let's start putting this sucker together. Okay, so here's the situation. Now, this is where this bracket, it's gonna go right here. So, without a couple of washers, I've added a few, not too many, just a couple. Because when you put this in, it sits a little close to that. So that's all I've done is I just put a couple, just so it brings it back so it's not always nailing the plastic. I'm also gonna put a little bit of copper-based compound, just so it doesn't seize on there, you know, over time. So this stuff works really well. You can get it in small tubes, just so you guys can see what it is. It's Loctite C5-A, copper-based. All right, onward to install. So the best thing to do is pre-place all your fittings on using Teflon tape. Make sure you have the right direction. You know, a little bit anal retentive. Do a pre-test, make sure everything looks good. Essentially, that's where your bleeder's going to be. Comes with a cap, no worries. And then your hoses. So once this is in place where you want it, clamp her down. Easy pleasy. Okay, so I've got the unit installed. Now the hoses slide over to your brass fittings. So what's happened is there used to be a line that ran from here to there, right? So this piece. So I basically chopped it up. Keep the number, so in case you screw up, you can always buy another one. And I removed about 1.25 inches and left it in there. So that protrudes into the hose. Same with that. The original piece goes in, it gets stopped right there, and the other one just clamps over. There's no back pressure, so I didn't put any clamps on it because it's pretty much solid as it goes. Not bad, it looks pretty neat, tidy. Check it every 2,000 to 5,000 kilometers, or as you wish. Everything's lined up, brackets is clamped in there, you're good to go, and it looks pretty cool. All right, so win. Thanks for watching Rods and Hobbs, and hopefully this helps you with your motor. Cheers, have a good one.